All right, let's talk a little bit about how the pelvis moves so you can really understand the dynamics of riding. So just kind of think about your pelvis as a bowl. It can rotate forward and back, or anterior and posterior. So if you place your hands kind of up on your top of your pelvis and your pelvis moves forward, then that is anterior or forward movement. If you're tucking your tail underneath you, that would be backward movement or posterior movement of your pelvis. And then somewhere in between there is a neutral pelvis. Then, so you got forward and back. Now we have up and down. And that is a response to a bunch of muscles in your low back, etc. That's another topic. So your pelvis can go up and down. So you can mimic that yourself by holding your hands at the top of your pelvis, and you can lift one hip, kind of like Betty Boop, I'm kind of aging myself. Lift the other hip, that's up and down. Okay? And then the third thing that your pelvis can do is it rotates in the transverse plane. So rotation of your pelvis is just like I said, rotation. So appreciating that when you are riding your horse, all three of these movements are happening. And that's why riding a horse is so amazing. And it really, it can't be replicated because you're moving in all three planes subtly at all times in order to be able to be moving with your horse. So just the basics on pelvis movement. Hope that was helpful for you when you're learning how to move like a rider.